super excited to announce that I am ambassador for the Darling, you send me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife. My towel just fell. Today I am going to be, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing another weekly vlog. I did one after Christmas. My dog is crying. We did one before Christmas when I had my exams and stuff, but I took Christmas off. I was just uploading videos that I already had pre-filmed and stuff. So I took Christmas completely off, obviously college, and obviously off YouTube, so I just had to work my ordinary job, which was absolutely bliss. Today is Sunday the 6th. I start back college on Tuesday, and I'm going to work now in a few minutes. I just have to like eat my dinner and put on my uniform and stuff, but I enjoy my hair. But I'm getting back into the Grove. This week I have no idea what's in store. I'll just be getting used to routine and stuff, but hopefully it'll be good. I just want to like have these videos to like look back on and stuff, so I'm still getting into it. Don't judge me, but I will leave my link up in the cards above for my previous one. That was my first one, and I also have one that's not edited, so hopefully that one will be up before this one. So if I'll just leave the both of them in the description. But yeah, today I have work at 3. It is now like 2:15. My room is like a complete disaster. I'm not sure if you can see all this mess, but I don't know. My mood today is kind of weird. I'd love to stay at home and like clean stuff and like hoover stuff and like change my bed sheet and like get all my laundry done and stuff, and like my recycling and stuff, and like figure out like what to do, but I have to work, and I probably won't be able to do that when I come home at 10 because I'll be kind of tired, and the house will be like, I need to like wind down because my sleep schedule is absolutely wrecked. I also have a few, this is one of my Christmas presents. This is my massage bed. This was like my main Christmas present. My dog actually ripped it open, so I'm like currently in the process of like sewing it, sewing the whole of it. But yeah, I need to finish that like soon so I can actually use it. That's it when it's folded up. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is I got a lot of things on my little bucket list to do. I have to go into town tomorrow morning as well and like get a few bits in town, so I don't know when I'm actually going to do it, and I just have to sort out my Christmas mess. Like, I'm not sure if you can see it, my washing bin is like completely full. I have boxes to get rid of. This is from my massage bed. I've, you know, stuff to go through. So basically I just want to like start off fresh and get ready for like a fresh start of my YouTube stuff and everything. But yeah, I'm not sure when you're going to see this because I really have no time to edit videos. I have 2 videos to edit, 1 vlog, 1 haul that I filmed literally like in November. I have to get them up, and then I'll have to get this one up, so you're probably seeing this in like February or something. But yeah, I'm so excited. That's January, it's the new year. Happy New Year, guys. This is the first time I filmed in 2019. I'm so excited for this year. I feel like 2018 really like knocked me down and like showed me that like persistence and, you know, hard work is key. And I really feel like I found myself and I found my path, and I am ready to kick 2019 in the ass. But yeah, we just have to organize first. So I'm getting ready for work and I need to blow dry my hair, so I'm going to leave it here. Hi guys, what is up? It is the next day. It's the 7th. I actually forgot my camera. I was going to bring it to town today and like record when I was going in the car and stuff, but I actually forgot it. I am just home. It is, what time is it? 1:45. So I have been to Primark and I went to Boots and stuff. I went to the bank. I did all the little things that I needed to do. My boss texted me this morning and gave me today and tomorrow off, which is goals. So today I have completely nothing on. I'm so out of breath. I need some water ASAP. So I thought that today I would get up, go to town, get my stuff done, and then come home and like spend the rest of the day like organising and cleaning and stuff. So why am I so out of breath? This is unnatural. So yeah, I kind of want to film a Primark haul because I got some really cute things. I didn't spend a whole lot. I spent like for just over 40 euro. I think it was like 43.50 or something. But I got some really cute things and things that I've wanted to get for ages. There wasn't really much good sale things, so that's why I didn't get loads, but I did have 40 euro worth of vouchers to spend in there, so I spent like 43.50, so that was good. Then I also have 2 unedited videos, one that was like from November, I think I talked about that yesterday, and another one, and yeah. And then I have to just clean up my general thing. I kind of want to finish sewing my bed as well so I can like properly store it away. I have to put away the Hoover as well. But yeah, I just want to do little things. So I think we are going to start off by putting on a wash. So then when I'm done filming it, it'll be done. Film my Primark haul. I might have to put on a little bit of makeup because I'm looking a little bit rough. So yeah, we shall put on the wash first. Let's go. Okay, so end of montage. This is my little puppy Jade. Kitty! She is a little bit angry at me today because when I went to town, she had kind of, when she's our rescue dog, by the way, so if you haven't seen the video of like meeting her or whatever, I'll have it up in the cards above. But when we leave her alone, she'll kind of like wreck things just to know like, you left me alone, this is what you deserve. So she had like crumpled up the mat, she had pulled our towels off there, she had messed up the mats in the bathroom and opened the bathroom door, and she had Mum's crock again. So she is a little bit angry at us because I gave out to her, but we're still teaching her how to behave when we are not here. Okay, so I have filmed the 2 videos, the manicure company haul and the Primark haul, and I have just gone out and like, well, actually I hung out the wash and I brought Jade out while I was doing it so I could play fetch with her and stuff, but she actually ran down the road, so I had to run after her. So I brought her back, washed her legs so she wasn't like super mucky, and then I brought her in and stuff, petted her and played with her and stuff so she wouldn't go crazy. And now I am going to put the files onto my laptop and I'm going to possibly edit some, because now I have a total of 4 videos unedited. So that's what I'm about to do. So it's now 3:20. So yeah, my day's already been quite productive so far. So yeah, I'm going to be putting on the footage and editing. I think I might just I don't think the manicure company video needs much editing at all, but it's like 18 minutes long, so I might edit the Primark haul first because it's more fun as well to edit, because I'm super excited. My phone's popping off again. So that's what I'm going to do today. Sleep till I come home. I'm literally chilling on my bed. This is the chillest video ever. But I have a huge announcement, and I am super excited to announce that I am ambassador for the clothing brand, the sports clothing brand Just Strong. So yesterday, some of you might not follow me on Instagram, but I will leave my name on the screen right now. I recently just connected my Instagram to my YouTube channel, so you can follow me there and I'll follow you back and we can talk and stuff. But anyway, point of the story. Yesterday I uploaded this picture here, so this is like my just like announcement kind of thing, and I'm super excited. So yeah, basically I have a discount code from this brand. I'm so excited. I will be hopefully doing a haul in the future in the next few videos, but I do have a discount code. I will leave it on the screen right here, and I will put the website down below and you can check it out. It's really fun. I'm excited, and this is just a quick announcement to kind of share with you all. I know that loads of people, because it's 2019, I know that loads of people have fitness goals and stuff, and I am of course having a fitness goal. I'm like basic AF, so I've started wearing my Fitbit lately, and I've also started working out daily, and it's something that I hope to start on my channel soon. I actually have a video in progress for this week to do with fitness, so I want to get into fitness on my YouTube and on my Instagram. But yeah, so this came at the perfect time because I know everyone likes to get new gym gear and stuff when they're starting back at the gym, just to refresh things. So I will insert a few pictures here of things that are really cute on the site, and like there's a really cute pair of shorts that I need to get, and I'm so excited to get them and to work out in them and stuff. But so I just wanted to do a little quick update and tell you that if any of you want to start this gym journey with me, you can get the same workout gear as me, and we can work out together and reach our goals together, and you can use my discount code. So this was just a quick update to tell you that I am the ambassador, and I'm super excited, and I hope you all liked this little tiny video, and I'll see you soon with a brand new one.